Hello and welcome to my channel. I believe that simple, basic, everyday makeup should not take more than 5 to 10 minutes of your time. And today I'm going to show you my version of quick everyday makeup. I'm going to use organic makeup only. I really like this foundation from Ilia Beauty, but please don't forget to shake it really well before using it. I apply my foundation with Sigma 4D HD Kabuki brush. This brush has a unique pyramid shape. I apply RMS Beauty Uncover Up Concealer with my fingers to melt the product and blend it using wet beauty blender. This cream blush from RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek in shade Beloved is my all-time favorite. I use it all the times for editorial or commercial work, and I also use it for my own makeup. This shade of red is just so beautiful. It suits any skin tone. It blends so well with brush or your fingers or sponge. It's just really gorgeous. My skin tone is very pale. That's why I can use RMS Beauty Madeira bronzer as a sculpting powder. This product is pretty unique. It has really nice cool undertone and it doesn't look orange or red on your skin like some other bronzers, and that's why I can use it as a sculpting powder as well. I use this beautiful neutral light brown shade of RMS Beauty Swift Shadow. I don't change my shape of my eyes. I don't do much with this. It's just very nice touch to accentuate my eyes, to add a little shimmer on my eyelids. From Ilia Beauty creates very natural looking lashes. If you like really big, few layers of mascara kind of look, probably this mascara is not for you. But I like how natural it looks. It doesn't flake, it stays on your lashes all day and it looks nice. This is one of my most favorite lip balm of all times. This is from Cosa Sport and it's called Hyaluronic Lip Balm in shade Pulse. This product really moisturizes your lips, and this shade has a cool undertone that suits me really well. And the last step, I apply Magic Luminizer from RMS Beauty. This is an amazing highlighter and I really like how it looks on my skin. And as you can see, I apply it on usual spots, cheekbones, inner corner of my eye and the cupid's bow. And we're done. I hope you liked this little tutorial. It literally takes 5 minutes only to do this makeup.